given a problem about a quadratic function. The function f of x is a quadratic with a leading coefficient 1. There exists a real number k such that the tangent line to the graph of f at x equals k has slope 0, and at that point the graph touches the x-axis, and the tangent line coincides with the x-axis. We also define another function, h of x, equal to 2 times the quantity x plus k, multiplied by f prime of x. We are told that h of 2 equals 0, and that k is positive. Our goal is to find the value of f of 1. Let's begin with the tangent condition. If the tangent at x equals k touches the x-axis and coincides with it, this means that f of k equals 0, and f prime of k equals 0. For a quadratic function with leading coefficient 1, these two conditions imply that the parabola has a double root at x equals k. Therefore, we can write f of x as the quantity x minus k squared. The derivative is then f prime of x equals 2 times the quantity x minus k. In fact, if we recall the general rule for differentiating a function raised to a power, the derivative of the quantity f of x to the n is n times the quantity f of x to the power of n minus 1, multiplied by f prime of x. Applying this rule here, we can see directly that the derivative of the quantity x minus k squared is 2 times the quantity x minus k without needing to expand it. Now substitute this into the definition of h. We have h of x equals 2 times the quantity x plus k multiplied by 2 times the quantity x minus k. This simplifies to 4 times the product of the quantity x plus k and the quantity x minus k. In other words, h of x equals 4 times the quantity x squared minus k squared. Next, apply the condition h of 2 equals 0. Plugging in x equals 2, we get 4 times the quantity. 4 minus k squared equals 0. That means 4 minus k squared equals 0, so k squared equals 4. Thus, k is either plus 2 or minus 2. But since we are told k is positive, we take k equals 2. Finally, evaluate f of 1. Since f of x is the quantity x minus k squared, we compute f of 1 equals the quantity 1 minus 2 squared. That is negative 1 squared, which equals 1. Therefore, the value of f of 1 is 1.